I go the video am. I go the video am. No evidence. No evidence. No evidence. See am. See am. They carry cow. They carry cow enter our farm. See am.
It is no longer a joke. It is no longer a joke. Fulani Herdsmen has finally entered Biafra land. See them. This is what they are doing. Destroying properties, destroying crops that our father labored for. This is what we are passing through. So my advice in this video is that we the Biafran youth, we need to wake up. It is our duty to do this one, because our leader Ezenanwata Kanu have been saying this for a very long time, but we couldn't listen. Now this is the result. So if you are watching this particular video, do well to share this particular video and tag your friends in the comment section, so that they will come, so that we will come to go together and do our job. Thank you as we continue to share the video. One love.
I go the video am. I go the video am. No evidence. No evidence. No evidence. See am. See am. They carry cow. They carry cow enter our farm. See am. See am. See the aboki man. See am. See am. No evidence. See am. See am. No better evidence with this. See am. See am. Every day they carry cow. They enter inside this farm. Every day. See am. They don't finish our crops. See am. You don't hide your face.
You not gonna hide your face.
You not gonna hide your face. You not gonna hide
go anywhere.
You not gonna hide your face.
You not go anywhere.
Because I go capture am by fire by force.
You not go anywhere.
See am. Now the aboki man be this. Now the aboki man be this.
You not go anywhere. You not go. Drop that man now. Drop the thing where you go. Drop am. Come on. Is this guy go fight?
Come on. You don't mad. You don't mad.
You not go keep fighting.
Kidnappers and terrorists in Katsina released the body of the dead retired Major General Rabi Abubakar to the family to be buried according to Islamic rites within 24 hours after his death. Nigerians, my country people, the day where we begin to tell ourselves the truth about insecurity for this country, from that day we will begin to get solution. Because this masquerade dance where government they dance, so they don't cuckoo talk am. Say any security will last beyond 48 hours now, because the hand of government they inside. So you are trying to use insecurity to solve insecurity. The monkey hand where when I put for pot of soup, it goes soon turn to human hand. So this story of the retired Major General where they kidnap him and his wife for Katsina for days, they inside forest with kidnappers. They do video, they beg a man will save this country to the level of a brigadier general. They kidnap him, they ridicule, they torture them for forest. He died. Guess the people where they release statement on behalf of the terrorists. Katsina state government, yours truly. If you read the statement from Katsina state government, you go to wonder whether na them be the kidnappers or terrorists or na them be government, because it is even more shameful and pitiable. Katsina State Commissioner for Internal Security, they said the man died of natural causes following complications from high blood pressure and this and that. Really? Katsina State government, una send doctor go meet the kidnappers to do medical examination. Abi una been they work hand in hand with the terrorists, so una understand the case and the medical complication where they go on. Ori buruku lenshe, oshi lenshe, and that not even the unfortunate part. The man where they there for how many days they no fit rescue him. Government, military, a retired brigadier general, una no fit rescue him for how many days where they there? Within 24 hours where the man died, guess what? The terrorists don't release the body so that they can bury him according to Islamic rites. He could not be released and rescued by the military according to his religious rights, but they don't release the body so that they can bury. And guess how they release him? According to the report, armed terrorists carry the body, hand over to the family, may they go bury him according to Islamic rites. Oriburuku Lenshe, Nigerian government. Until Nigerians come out to ask the real questions, who they benefit from insecurity, who are the people where they sponsor terrorism, we go around in this circle. Sheikh Gumi Kuku Tokam, he said that the government, they know these terrorists by name, they know their location. Because they run away from the truth. Now that they do negotiation with the one for you, They go pay ransom. The ones where they are alive, they go release them. The same way they do for Kwara, the CSC church, they say they pay about 350 million. They release them. Then they go Edo, they go pack, they go pay ransom, they go come out, they go Kogi, we go they dance. Ori Buruku Nigeria PLC. That is why terrorists, they more funded. They get more capacity and financial resources more than military where they go fight them. How the thing go end? How will it end? Because you don't turn markets, it there for show glass. Nigerians, shine your eyes. Everybody, if you don't fix this issue of government to address this issue from the roots, go get your PVC, because insecurity there for show glass. Now the one where come on social media night you go here every day that they carry people. The one where they travel for Kogi, how many days they go for Ekiti? A military general retired, died for the kidnap him. Government no fit rescue him 24 hours after in death. Nigerian kidnappers from Nigeria release the body to be buried, and at state government they release statements on behalf of the terrorists, and you say that there is no link, there is no team. The hand of that monkey hand we will put for pot of soup. Until you remove it, this country is not going forward. This is a shame. This is a tragedy. Nigerian military, make una dey pursue people where they talk about now. Make una no know how una go rescue una own retired person wey work with una. He don't die, they don't bring the body out. What a shame of a country. What a tragedy of a government. May God give Nigerians courage, because the Oriburuku way government they do. Oriburuku let's share Nigerian government. Master strategy. Go collect the body of a retired major general. Make una go bury him. Since una no fit rescue him, he don't die. They don't release him to una. Go collect the body, go and bury. We wait for the next one again. Turn by turn Nigerian PLC. What a shame. My name is Peter for Nigeria.
All this nonsense we are hearing today in this so-called one, I want to tell you the dangers of one Nigeria. All this nonsense you're hearing today about one Nigeria, Fulani in our forest, Fulani in our village. Before the white man came, did you see Fulani moving their cattle all over the place? Did we not have meat to eat? They will answer these questions for you. Because sometimes in Africa we don't reason very well. The way we reason is disjointed. It is disjointed. I can't understand for the life of me why, instead of them to waste all that money arming and equipping this Janjaweed army Mihetiala to come and conquer you and I, why don't they open a milk factory somewhere in the north and bring the milk down south? I'm sure southerners will buy it. After all, pig milk comes all the way from Holland. Pig milk all the way from Holland. Now you understand it. Because of the way you people reason. Why can't you produce? Is it difficult to produce milk? The same milk that comes out naturally from the udder of the cow. Why can't you can it somewhere, pasteurize it, and send it to people to eat, to drink, or to do whatever with? All over the world, that is what is happening. In fact, they produce so much milk in Europe that they pour it away. Why can't you do the same thing? A whole president claiming they are in the 21st century are supporting a very primitive practice of moving cattle from place to all of you. You're not ashamed of yourselves. You have no shame. As somebody will say, your shame is shaming me. I'm telling you, you people from the zoo, I'm ashamed of your ignorance and stupidity. You people are hopeless, completely hopeless. One day I want idiot to come and say, we are intellectuals. And you're moving cattle from Kafanchan to Ahoda. You are intellectuals. You are intellectualizing. You are in the 21st century. You are moving cattle, driving cattle, Nama, from over 300 miles. It's claiming Yoruba forest is a place for you to be in. You want to relax. Yoruba forest is every Nigerian is free to live anywhere and do their business anywhere. Yes. But when an Igbo man tries to sell beer in Kano, you destroy it. You destroy their businesses, you destroy their hotels, but you can come down to the south and live anywhere you like and grace anywhere you like. And you're telling me that is a country, that is one Nigeria for you? The Fulanis we are talking, they call them the Funa movement. Our attention has been drawn to a decree credited to one Rotimi Akeredolu, asking Fulani people who have occupied some forests in Ondo State to quit. We are also aware of another incident in Oyo State where an illiterate political talk gave quick notice to Fulani people to leave their territories, which are now their irreversible homes. Are you listening? Fulani are now saying that Yoruba forest is now their irreversible homes. They have now occupied Yoruba land in perpetuity. And I want to let my Yoruba friends understand this. You see, in life, anytime you support evil, evil will come back to haunt you. All of you never knew that IPOB and this Biafra movement was for your liberation. Some of you saw maybe the oil and gas from Biafra land. If they go now, we won't have access to oil and gas. In the process of having your eyes fixated on oil and gas, your forest is gone. Do you understand it? There is nothing more precious in life than freedom. Freedom is very important. And I need you to understand this very morning. Every Yoruba person supporting Fulani, you are setting up yourself to become like the Hausa people. Remember when Hausa was supporting Fulani? We are Hausa Fulani, we are Hausa Fulani. Where are the Hausa people today? I ask you. Where are those Hausa people today? Do you see them anymore? They're saying we are Hausa Fulani, we are Hausa Fulani. Do you see them again today? Do you see them? I'm asking you. No, because Fulani have completely overwhelmed them. It's called emasculation. Completely emasculated them. Look at what they're doing in the East. In the East, they come to the East, they will tell you, oh, you want to be the president or vice? Yeah. They say, give us land for Ruga. They give them land. As soldiers of Kadu did that Lord Banta. They've taken it over in forever and ever. Give us land in your state. Hope of them are prove to us that you are stood. Give us land in Olo. Hope of them will give them land in Olo. We can go and kill people in Obibo. We can kill for them. How many Fulani governors are prepared to kill bandits? I didn't say normal people. I'm talking about armed, dangerous bandits. How many Fulani governors? Go and read your newspapers, you will see it there. Fulani governors are negotiating with them, giving them arms, giving them vehicles, making sure that their life is no longer a misery. But they come down to the south. They tell you, give us land for Ruga. Go and kill your people to prove to us that you're one Nigerian. That was why Obi also was talking rubbish.